For today's DIY, we're gonna do a dry shampoo for your hair. So all you're gonna need is a little container like this, kind of like a Parmesan or like a seasoning shaker. This one I got at the Dollar Tree. So it just has like the little holes on top. Then you're gonna need, if you have dark hair, like if you're brunette or darker, you're gonna want cocoa powder. So I'm not gonna use this today because I don't need it, but I just wanted to show you guys. You can get cocoa powder at the grocery store. It's pretty easy to find. Then you're gonna need ARROWROOT powder. This can sometimes be difficult to find at the grocery store, so you might need to order this online. But yeah, you're just gonna need 1/4 cup of this. So not very much. So if you can find it in bulk, that's a good idea. And then you're just gonna need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. So I already pre-measured it here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the lid off and you're gonna measure out 1/4 cup of ARROWROOT powder. So I have a little measuring funnel to help me not make a mess. We'll see if it helps. Okay, ignore the mess that I made. You might want to do this over your sink because it's kind of hard to get it into this small opening. So anyways, I put 1/4 cup of ARROWROOT powder in there. And then if you're gonna do the cocoa powder, you can do 1/4 cup or maybe even less, kind of depending on your hair color. I would just guess and see because you don't want it looking powdery in your hair if your hair is darker. So then we're gonna add the baking soda. That's a little bit easier to add, so that's 1/2 tablespoon. Then you're gonna add lavender. I would do, the recipe I found says 3 drops of each, but I'm gonna do 5 drops of each. So 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of cedarwood, then we're gonna do 5 drops of peppermint. Recipe I found uses rosemary. I don't have Young Living's rosemary yet. I'll order it for this recipe. Rosemary is really good for your hair. In most dry shampoo recipes that you'll find uses rosemary, but peppermint will also help keep it fresh. I'm just gonna do 3 drops of peppermint because it is a little bit stronger. Perfect. Then what you're gonna do is stir it up. So I'm gonna just stir this. I have this little metal straw. So just stir it up so all of the essential oils and the baking soda get mixed in. So this is a lot better for your hair than those aerosol cans because those usually have butane in the can to help it come out, and it's really drying to the scalp. So this is gonna be moisturizing. It's gonna help your hair a lot more than those store-bought ones will. So just stir it up really well. You could even shake it. And I think this is working. Perfect. Then you're gonna put the lid on. And you can make a cute little label for it, which is probably what I'm gonna do. And then you can keep it in your cabinet. So that's it, dry shampoo for you.